Rabia, your cat not coming back inside. He snuck out and went and killed this mice. Oh my gosh, it's horrible. And you want to come back inside? Oh no. I can understand if the mouse was inside, but you went out. Went out and catch a mouse and trying to bring it in the house. No way you coming back in the house. Jesus God. Mm-mm. Thank God he lost it. Oh no! He got it back. Oh my God. I didn't want to bring it inside. Mm. What the? Huh? Mm-mm. And then he's waiting for me to open the door to let him back in. Mm-mm. No way, no how. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. We don't know when he snuck out. I think he snuck out when the kids was going to school.